Oh, procrastinators out there, your time is almost up. Our time, really. It is tax day, and you've only got until the end of it to get those taxes in. Callie Cruz is joining us to help maybe with some last-minute advice, help us handle all of this stress because, well, it's easy if you think you're going to get money back. Those are the people who file early, but it's when you have to pay that we put it off. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Procrastinators out there, I think you have a little over 16 hours left, so there is still some time to procrastinate, but we are here at CPA Bob Hockensmith's office. He got up bright and early. He's been working 16, 17, 18-hour days, and we said, why don't you get up early and, talk to us in the morning? But helpful tips that you're providing us. So we're going to start talking extensions, because for folks who maybe they owe money and they haven't done their taxes yet, now's the time to do the extension.
Right. The extension is mostly for people who owe money. If you have a refund, you don't need an extension. But if you owe $1,000 or more, or if you owe taxes, the extension is the only way to go to reduce any penalty you might get for not paying it by the deadline today.
And you need to do that by midnight tonight. This is a Form 4868. Tell me the different ways that we can extend our taxes.
There are 3 different ways to do it. One, you can go online to irs.gov. You can actually get the form right there and file your extension. You can actually use the tax software that many of us use today and file your extension with the tax software. And you'll get an email from the IRS saying it's been accepted, so you know you're good there. Last, you can actually print the form out, send it through the mail, and make sure you postmark it by midnight tonight. And we oftentimes tell people to send it certified mail so the IRS can't say they never got it.
Yeah, you have to do it by midnight tonight. Let's flip our page because we're going back to kindergarten. Ways to pay. 7-Eleven stores. I like that idea. You can get a Slurpee and get your lottery ticket. But this is one of about 5 different ways you can pay your taxes.
Right. Last year, the IRS actually started allowing 7-Eleven stores to accept cash. Oftentimes, taxpayers don't have checking accounts or credit cards, so they can actually send cash into the 7-Eleven store up to $1,000 a day and pay their taxes that way.
Okay, a couple other ways. You've got checks, payment plan, credit cards, and then we're already thinking about next year. We try to, make taxes a little bit interesting. Right. We've got these manila envelopes, and it's all about organization. That's how we can get a jump start on next year. Explain to me more of this, especially for people out there who are a little scatterbrained.
Right. Many times we can put little different things in an envelope, and it keeps things tracked for us throughout the year. This is already in your mind, so take your pay stubs, put it in an envelope, and that says income, right? Or your W-2 at the end of the year. Then charity. We oftentimes give lots of charity to different organizations, and it's hard to keep track of those receipts. That's a good place to put them in an envelope right there. Finally, medical expenses. How many times we go to the doctor with our kids, ourselves, prescription medicines, and all the different things we spend for medical. That's a great way to keep track of it.
Okay, we'll be back next year. Thank you so much. Get some sleep. You deserve it, guys. Every year, about 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 million people in that range don't file their taxes on time, and they do file an extension. So we know there are a lot of people out there who haven't filed yet. Good luck. Again, you got 16 hours to either file your taxes or get that extension. Back to you.